What if you were earning money online? Imagine this to yourself, how great your life would become if you earn money while you're asleep. You can work from any part of the world, living the life you want, and can still earn a lot of money. What I just told you is a perfect example of a person who provides value and services to the largest audience present on the internet today. Internet has given you a platform that you could never imagine. You can show your skills, grow your business overseas easily with the help of internet. Do you want to know something interesting? The Huffington Post, managed by Ariana Huffington, has a monthly earning of about 23 lakh $30,000 only from her blog. Today, we are going to discuss step by step 7 ways to earn money online. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Internet users have increased in the past few months due to the situation of COVID 19. The process of working digitally has increased. Almost more than half of the population of the world is on internet. Internet does not only mean blogs, it also includes social media, search engines, freelancers, YouTubers, etc. Now, before you start to work to earn money online, you need to know the difference between the two types of incomes. One is active income and the other is passive income. In active income, you get paid according to the work or amount of time you actively worked. Whereas in passive income, you get paid for as long as your produced content is on the internet. And that's why in active income, you get paid for the exchange of your time. Whereas in passive income, you don't need to trade your time for money. Achievers, I'm going to show you both the ways to earn money online. So choose for yourself. Now, the first possible way to earn money online is by YouTubing. YouTube is the way to earn passive income. Now for that, you need to create your YouTube channel, upload videos and start monetizing them. Select a niche on which you want to make videos, basically about a talent you possess or enjoy sharing with the people. Nowadays, everyone knows how this platform works. You have to upload your videos, and when audience will like your content, then ads will start popping on your video and you will get your cut on the basis of your advertisement deal. Sounds simple, right? But before advertisements start popping on your videos, you have to cross a criteria of YouTube. That is, you have to gain 1000 subscribers and also you should have 4000 hours of watch time on your channel. 4000 hours sounds like a lot of time. But once people start liking your content, boom, within months you will cross that target. Once you are an influencer on YouTube, you got yourself a large audience watching your channel, and with the help of that, you can easily promote your business. So that's like two targets with one arrow. A small boy named Ryan Kaji is the highest earning YouTuber from his channel Ryan's Toy Review. He earned approximately $26 million in 2019. Nowadays, teachers also have a lot of scope in teaching and uploading it on YouTube because of the lockdown. Videos are the best way of explanation. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, in case if you didn't know that. So use this period of quarantine for learning and sharing your skills on the platform of YouTube. And if you have any queries or want help to get started on YouTube, then comment down, we got your back. The second possible way of earning money online is by freelancing. Freelancing is a way of earning active income. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you the best. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listings with the details of your skill set so that interested clients can contact you directly. Now, the criteria for freelancing is that you should learn certain skill sets in a respective field, and as your experience increases, so you can increase your per hour commission. Check out some of these fields which has a higher per hour commission rate, and also visit some of these websites that provides freelance jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 and $100 per hour through these websites. Now the main question is, how will you learn these skills? You always have internet as an option nowadays. You just need a mobile and a good internet connection to start. I prefer Skillshare. This is not a sponsored video, but guys, this is so far the best platform where you can learn from the best tutors around the globe. And it also gives a free trial for 2 months. So what are you waiting for? Go develop some skills. Also, I have given the link in the description. This brings us to our third way to earn money online, by being a virtual assistant. Doing all the corporate stuff from one's home is what a virtual assistant does. VAs basically work remotely with their clients and manage the aspects of their business that they themselves are too busy to handle. When you work as a virtual assistant, you can choose to work as an employee or you can set up your own business. VAs are skilled, home-based professionals that offer companies, businesses, and entrepreneurs administrative support that they need. Becoming a VA can entail some degree of training or briefing depending on your qualifications. However, if you have a good communication skills and are capable of using applications like MS Office, you can just sign up on websites such as elance.com or 24/7 virtual assistant. A VA may expect earnings in the range of $7 to $60 per hour. VAs can work from their home or travel while they work. Virtual assistants may work with numerous clients at any time and will have hours scheduled in their calendar for different clients and their tasks. The fourth possible way to earn a modest sum of money is through social media marketing. I have already discussed the rapid increase in social media users in my previous videos. An average person uses social apps for more than 6 hours in a day. And this is because entrepreneurs and companies have took the advantage of these websites and started advertising and expanding their businesses online. Don't you see sponsored ads on your page while you are scrolling down? Small as well as big companies have set their team for handling social media to expand their businesses and reach the maximum possible audience. This field is on fire, guys, and shows a very good scope. If you are good at this, then create your portfolio. I especially recommend you to reach their businesses and become a social media marketer. And nowadays, almost everyone knows how to use social media. But to become professional, I recommend you to polish your skills with some online courses and then you are ready to print money. I will tell you the specialty in this category. That is, you can handle multiple accounts easily and earn more money. Let's head towards the fifth way to earn money online. Content writing. Content is not merely the king of the blog. In fact, content is the king of several other things. As I mentioned above, videos, podcasts, radio broadcast, street side hoardings, social media, and other such media all deliver content. Hence, it's important to learn content writing. If your content is attractive, you will find thousands and possibly millions of followers. Also, you can't perform any digital marketing processes on any website unless there's content. Therefore, you can easily understand the importance of learning content writing. If you know how to write excellent content, you can work full-time or part-time or even as a freelance content writer. Visit websites such as upwork.com and flexjobs.com. You'll be pleasantly surprised at the demand for content from people all over the world. Now, how you can be a good content writer? For that, you need to have great research skills, improve your vocabulary, and also induce your creativity into the content. Here comes the sixth way to earn money online, that is e-commerce. Now, what is e-commerce? E-commerce means buying and selling of goods, products, or services over the internet. Transaction of money, funds, and data are also considered as e-commerce. These business transactions can be done in 4 ways: business to business, business to customer, customer to customer, and customer to business. Online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, Myntra, eBay, OLX are example of e-commerce websites. Online businesses has grown on a large scale. People nowadays scroll through Amazon, Flipkart and buy and sell things through their mobile. Online transactions are made and home deliveries are done. If you want to start your own online business, then you should follow these vitally important steps Before you start your online business, you need to follow these steps. First, you need to do market research to analyze how the market is responding and to which product. Then finalize your product to sell. Identify your customer base and segment your audiences. Begin research on what e-commerce platform you'd like to sell on, like your own online store, Amazon, eBay, Facebook, or other these types of e-commerce websites. Create high quality product and content, including product descriptions and imagery. Create a strategy to market to your potential customers so you can drive traffic to your store. There is a lot of competition in this field unless your brand and product highlights. But in near future, everything is going to turn towards internet. So it's better to start and struggle now rather than later. Now the last but not the least, the seventh way of earning money online is through affiliate marketing. Do you know 60% of American population is earning money through affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's product. You find a product you like, promote it to others and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. You are like a middleman. It is one of the cheapest and easiest way of marketing as you don't need to create and sell a product. Just one thing you need to do is to enable a linked connection between the buyer and seller and take your commission when the sale is made. Many online companies offer an affiliate program. By signing up for the program, you get your unique tracking link, and what you have to do is use this link whenever you write about their product. As you see, affiliate marketing is a passive income source. It is highly competitive, but still it may be so easy to make money online with affiliate marketing. To be successful, you need to learn what works and what doesn't while promoting your products. If you ask yourself, how can I do affiliate marketing? Then here are the tips. First of all, you need to be patient and choose more attractive products. Now, you need to attract your targeted audience. You need to get into the cycle of test, measure, and track. Research your product demand and follow new methods and techniques to advertise your product. Select the right advertiser and use proper tools which will help you rank higher. Hence guys, I'll conclude this video by saying that invest your time of lockdown in a productive way. Instead of wasting time, develop some skills and start printing money. I promise you, when you will start earning online, you will feel so good about that stream of income which you have added to your other sources. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. If you want to see more such kind of videos, then subscribe to this channel. 2 things to learn. Like if you like the video, press the bell icon for the notifications of future videos, and also follow us on social media. Links are given in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and stay connected.